Good day, pupils. You're welcome to this week reading readiness. Before we go into our topic, can we sing this song together? Let's go. I love you, you love me. We are happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Mwah. Want to say you love me too. I love you. I love you guys out there. Please, can you roll it up for yourselves? The girls, give yourself a Barbie girl clap, and the boys, give yourself a Superboy clap. Very good. This week, we are looking at Magic E with you. Last week, we did Magic E with O. And we have words like dove, we have words like rose, we have words like coke, and the rest of them. So this week, we are looking at Magic E with you. That's what we are going to look at today. Okay? So let's go. Before we go into our topic, let's look at our specific objective. What are the things that we're supposed to look at in this lesson? At the end of this lesson, the people should be able to, 1, form words with Magic EU. Form words with Magic EU. Make simple sentences with the words formed. Make simple sentences with the words formed. Read the sentences. Read the sentences. So at the end of this lesson, you are expected to do what? To form words with Magic EU. Make simple sentences with them. The words that were formed, make sentences with them, and then read the sentences we have formed already. So let's go. Are you ready? Let's go. Words with Magic EU. Words with Magic EU. Let's look at the words. The first one is what? Cube. 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 A cube is a shape. When we are treating shapes, we talk about, we treated the shapes. We say cube, cylinder, triangle, and the rest of them. Cube. 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 We have Maggie cube. We have a cube of sugar. Blue. Wow, blue. Some of you have blue balls, blue plate, blue shirt, blue table, blue books. Blue is a color. Color blue. 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 Root. 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 Cute. Oh, I like your hair. It's cute. Your dress is cute. Oh, you're a cute girl. Cute. 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 Let's look at the words again. Let's go. Cube. Cube. Blue. Color blue. Blue. Root. Root. Wow. Cute. Oh. Cute. A cute dress. Let's see more words on this Magic EU. Wow. Loot. Loot. Glue. 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 Loot. Glue. Glue. Loot. Tune. Tune. You dance to the tune of the music. You dance to the tune of the music, or you go and tune your radio to the frequency that you like. Tune. 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 Glue. Lute. Tune. Moots. 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 Huge. Huge. A very big something. Very big something. Huge. Huge. Now let's look at the words. Let's go. Glue. 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 Loot. Moot. Huge. Tune. Can we say them again? Let's go. You. Glue. Lute. Mm. T. Mute. Good. H. J. Huge. T. Mm. Tune. Good. Can you say them for me? Let me hear. You think I'm not hearing you? I'm hearing you. Now let's go. Let's say it together. Let's go. G. L. U. Glue. L. T. Lute. Mm. T. Mute. J. Huge. T. Tune. That's very good. Now let's say the words together. Let's go, everybody. Glue. Lute. Mute. Huge. And tune. Very good. Now let's look at our sentences now. Let's look at our sentences. A cube is a shape. 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 I told you what cube is. If you go to your mommy's kitchen, tell your mommy to show you Maggie. Maggie has a cube shape. Maggie has a cube shape. Once you see Maggie, you see that it has a cube shape. A cube is a shape. A cube is a shape. Can you read it? Let's go. A cube is a shape. Very good. Now let's go to number 2. This is my blue plate. This is my blue plate. Blue is a color. Remember, I told you that blue is a color. Blue is a color. We have color blue. Blue. Blue plates. Blue plates. This is my blue plate. This is my blue plate. Number 3 says, my tube is big. My tube is big. My tube is big. Tube. 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 The glue is on the bird. The glue is on the bed. The glue is on the bed. The glue is on the bed. The cake is huge. Huge is something that is big. Huge. When you're celebrating your birthday, your mom will bake a huge cake, a big cake. A big cake for you. That is huge. The cake is huge. The cake is huge. I can rule my line. I can rule my line. Rule. 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 I can rule my line. She is rude. She is rude. She is rude. Now, can we read the sentences from the beginning? Let's go. A cube is a shape. A cube is a shape. This is my blue plate. This is my blue plate. My tube is big. My tube is big. The glue is on the bed. The glue is on the bed. The cake is huge. The cake is huge. I can rule my line. I can rule my line. She is rude. She is rude. Can we identify the magic E with you there? Let's identify the magic E with you. The first one here is cube. Can you see the cube here? Cube. Cube. The other one is there. The other one is what? Blue. Blue. And we have tube. Glue. Huge. Rule and rude. Very good. These are the magic E with you. Magic E with you. Cube, blue, tube, glue, huge, rule, and rude. Good. Now let's look at words with pictures. Words with pictures. Let's go. Let's look at words with pictures. We have here blue. Blue. Wow. What color is this? Color blue. A ball with a smiling face. Can you give me your smiling face? Give me your smiling face. Look at my own smiling face. Give me your smiling face, everybody. Good. Smiling face. I have a ball here with a smiling face. Blue ball with a smiling face. Blue ball with a smiling face. Blue. Blue. Oh, we have glue. Glue. Can you see my super glue? Oh, can you see this? Have you seen it before? Where? Oh, your mommy holding it or your daddy holding it. Good. That is a glue. It is called glue. 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 Good. Super girl, Barbie girls and super boys. This one is fuse. Fuse. Wow. Can you see our fuse here? Fuse. We have different types of fuse. Look at this one. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Various ones and fuse. We use this fuse. We use it in our electrical gadgets. It helps to prevent our electrical gadgets to get burnt from getting burnt. Okay. So fuse. Fuse. Can you see the fuse here? Fuse. 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 Okay. Now look at our assignment here. Assignments. The previous ones that I've given you, I gave you assignments. I'm still looking forward to see them. This one is the assignment for this. We have here, look at, I told you tube. Look at tube here. This is a tube. This is a tube. A tire has a tube. A tire of a car has a tube. Or if you're a learner in swimming, they will just, first of all, they will give you a tube for you to use it and swim so that you will not be hurt. Okay, so this is a tube. And this one here is a tune. Tune. You dance to the tune of the music. When the music is playing, you'll be listening to the tune and then you'll be dancing to the tune of the music. This is a tune. You're going to write the names of these pictures here. Write it for me here. Here, you blend it and write it. This tube, you write it here. This one is tune, you write it here. Please write your assignment. Be a good boy and a good girl. Anybody that will answer it very well will get a crown. I'll give you the boys, I'll give you a super boy clap, and the girls, I'll give you a Barbie girl clap. Please do your assignment, do it correctly, and submit it to this WhatsApp number 08069566683. Do it and you get my Barbie girl clap and my super boy clap. Thank you very much.